Welcome to Tech World channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change privacy password in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to password and security. After that tap on privacy password, then enter your current privacy password. Now from here to change your privacy password, just tap on change password. Now from here type your current privacy password. Then you have to type a new 6 digits password. Also, if you want to use a different password type, then just tap here. From here you can use 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern, also alphanumeric, but I select 4 digits. And then type your new 4 digits password. Then type your password again to verify it. And it's changed. Also, if you want to turn off your privacy password, just tap here and then tap on turn off. Then enter your current privacy password and it's turned off. Now if you want to enable it again, just tap here, then select numeric. Then you have to type new 6 digits password again, then verify it again, then type a random name, then tap on this mark icon and it's enable again. And that is how you can change privacy password in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.